So let us see the programming of union. So in the previous video you have already seen how to declare a union. So we are going to just see the example. So suppose I have declared union student with the members, character, name of 10, integer, roll number. This is my student union. So this just creates the template for union. So here student will be containing either name or roll number. So in I declared union student t equals to the name I am initializing with Bhima and roll number with the value 30. So suppose if I write the statement printf the size of union equals to %LD size of t, and I am writing printf red record t is, and printf name equal to percentages, roll number equals to %D, and the arguments will be t dot name and t dot roll number. So here the size of the union is calculated as the size of the largest member. Here character takes 1 byte, and since name is a character array of 10 size, then this name will be requiring 10 bytes. And integer roll number, suppose this integer takes 4 bytes, then 4 and 10 will be compared, and the size of name is greater than the size of the roll number. So the size of the union variable will be the size of the name. And since the slack bytes will be allocated here because this 10 is not a multiple of 4. Some slack bytes will be added to make the size of the union a multiple of 4. So the next multiple of 4 after 10 is 12. So therefore it will be adding 2 slack bytes to make the size of the union variable as 12. So when you print the size of union by using size of union equals to %LD by passing size of t, then it will be printing the value as 12. And the red record here, because the members of the union here they are initialized as Bhima and value roll number with 30. And if you are initializing in this fashion, the name will be properly printed when you are printing here, and this 30 will be not initialized to the roll number. So the roll number will be printed with some garbage value. So let us run and check the output. So you can observe that you will get a warning message since you cannot initialize all the members for the union. But you will get the output here. The name will be properly initialized, which you can see that the record T is name is Bhima. And as I told that this 30 will not be initialized for roll number. So you'll be getting some garbage value. And you can also initialize the union member using the assignment statement like that. Suppose I have one more union variable u. Now if I want to initialize, I can write u dot name is equal to double quotes Rama and u dot roll number is equal to 55. And if I want to print the record, I'll just copy it. I will change that this record u is, and the name and roll number they belongs to the union variable u. Now suppose I run it, then you can observe, yeah, here it is an error because I cannot initialize the name in this fashion. So I have to use strcpy u dot name comma Rama. So it is an error if you just use array initialization using assignment operator. So you have to use the string copy function and include the header file. So now you can see that u dot name is Rama, and roll number is 55, which we have initialized. So when you are printing, you can observe that roll number is properly printed, but the name will be having a garbage value. So if you are initializing a statement by statement, so the last statement which initializes the member of the union will be the one which holds the union variable. And I can also initialize the union member by using a designated initialization or named initialization. So let us see that. So I will have one more union variable V, and I will initialize the roll number alone, so that only the roll number of the V variable will be initialized. So if you are initializing by using designated initialization, so I have to make use of dot roll number is equal to, say I want to initialize with 20. Now you can print that record here. The record is V, and you can observe only V roll number is initialized, and in this case the name will be again uninitialized, which contains the blank. Suppose I want to initialize only the name, then I can write dot name, and here if you are using in this fashion, you can initialize in this fashion. So now the name will be Usha and the roll number will be the default or garbage value. Here you can see that name will be Usha and roll number is garbage value. Now suppose I want to copy one union member to another union member. So I will declare one more variable TUVW suppose, and I want to copy the value of U or T or V to W. Then the statement will be W is equal to T. Then the members of T will be copied to W. Now I will print the record W. Now what has to be printed? The members of T, which is Bhima, has to be printed for W also. So W will be, again it contains the name which is Bhima and roll number will be the garbage value. So this is regarding the creation of union variable, printing the size of the union variable, and to copy the one union variable to another variable. So the size of union variable, you can pass the argument as a union variable, or you want to see by passing the union template also, union student. If you do this also, you are going to get the same output which you were getting previously. You can see that the size of union is equal to 12. Thank you.